Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
This podcast is for beginners.
Yes, if you are learning English step by step, this is for you.
Today, we will practice English with projects.
We will talk about tasks.
Small tasks, simple tasks.
Daily tasks you can use in real life.
Please like this episode.
And subscribe to our channel for more easy English.
Now, relax and listen carefully.
Let's start.
Jackson, what is a project?
A project is work with a goal.
Yes, a project has a start.
And a project has an end.
Cleaning your room is a project.
Making a presentation is a project.
Cooking dinner is a project.
Good examples.
A project has tasks.
Tasks are small jobs.
Let's repeat. Project,
Task.
project.
Task.
Great job.
Now let's talk about tasks.
We can say, I have a task.
Repeat. I have a task.
Good.
We can also say, I am working on a task.
Repeat slowly. I am working on a task.
Nice work.
My task is to write an email.
My task is to make a list.
My task is to clean my desk.
These are simple tasks.
Let's talk about a small project.
The project is to prepare for a meeting.
What is the first task?
My first task is to make notes.
What is the next task?
My next task is to check emails.
What is the last task?
My last task is to prepare questions.
Very good.
You are doing great.
Now, let's add time words.
Today,
Now,
later.
repeat after us.
Today,
Now,
later.
today, my task is to study English.
Today, I am working on my task.
Later, I will finish the task.
Simple and useful English.
Let's talk about progress.
I started the task.
I am doing the task.
I finished the task.
Repeat again.
I started the task.
I am doing the task.
I finished the task.
Great job.
You are improving already.
Sometimes tasks are hard.
Yes, and that is okay.
You can say, I need help with this task.
Repeat. I need help with this task.
Good.
You can also say, this task is easy.
Or, this task is hard.
Let's do a short conversation.
Okay.
Jackson, what is your task today?
My task is to finish my project.
Are you working on it now?
Yes, I am working on it now.
Great job.
Now, listen again.
And repeat at home.
Let's talk about daily tasks.
Cooking breakfast.
Doing homework.
Sending a message.
Cleaning the room.
My task is to cook breakfast.
My task is to do homework.
My task is to send a message.
Very good. Let's review.
Today, we talked about projects.
We talked about tasks.
We practiced simple sentences.
My task is to.
I am working on a task.
I finished the task.
You did an amazing job today.
Keep practicing every day.
Small steps are important.
Now, tell us in the comments.
What is your first task in the morning?
We want to hear from you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye and keep practicing English.